You are going to love the 2018 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, daytime running lights, fog lamps, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.